Logan the Wizard, dude.
Oh, that was cool.
You got grandma.
That better not have been the only smiley face.
Finale.
Alright, turn your headlights off. Come on.
Come on, yeah. You're fucking at the show.
The best was when you
That was sick.
Dude, where's the smiley face?
That's what I'm saying.
Think you're cool?
Little bottle rocket trailing on.
Okay.
Yeah! Hey, it's big round of gas. That's the finale. That's when people would show up, not just fucking sit in the lawn.
Get your loud ass car out of here. We're trying to watch fireworks.
That's
like-
Diego, huh? In his car.
It's a fountain on steroids.
There's a fountain. Where the fuck you buy that fountain?
Nevada?
You're at the wrong but we can get a phantom. We can get a...
There is a phantom on the east side. Been like that one.
Oh, for real?
Where's the smiley face?
I know, that's the only reason why I want to record.
I'm only doing this for the smiley
Give us a dragon!
face. Let's go to China.
Just drop a fucking bomb in there, man. Strap a real mortar. Ah, they're deading right now. Boo this man, boo.
Up. Oh. Alright.
Smiley. I can't remember what the smiley face one looked like. I don't know, it was kind of
Like a
dope.
smiley face.
No, I mean when it went up. Oh.
And you get that one. Oh, that one.
That's a neighbor. Whatever the cops, zero tolerance. Whatever the I see fireworks everywhere. What the fuck? I should be a cop. What the fuck? Oh, shit! They're dead! They're dead!
I just killed everybody.
Everyone's dead!
I just killed everybody at the stadium. We wanted everybody to gather
Oh.
up here today for our grand finale.
That was kind of trippy.
Oh, how pretty.
That was so cute.
The glitter.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. Like, whoa.
Really, people, what happened to this night? You guys, you can't spell things out in the sky? Come on, you got smiley faces, you got hearts. You can't throw no letters up there?
Throw up a winky face, feel me?
Yeah, that shit's dope. Throw up a winky thing.
What was that, a unicorn?
I'm making hella shapes. Oh yeah.
Make some
Why is
tits!
he flying slow?
That plane's trying to get hit.
He's like, someone's lighting off
that is a
illegals.
sheriff.
That is.
That's all white. Sheriff says.
You've never seen all white planes?
No, I haven't actually. Who the fuck's gonna be flying their plane right now? Well, fuck you guys for making me put my input.
Oh, that one was loud.
It was? I couldn't hear it.
Okay, what the fuck?
I'm gonna miss the smiley face again because my phone.
I'm about to stop
My
recording.
iPod's like, you ran out of memory.
Oh, there's a fucking
Bullseye.
one tit.
Where's the other one?
5 of the same fireworks.
Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
Hit the plane! They're high enough.
Fuck somebody. Yeah, fuck those Roman candles. You're distracting us! You're Stop it!
Knock it off. Let's here for a little family fun.
Hey, knock it off.
Hey, Morgan.
Knock it off, sir.
What?
Too bad we don't have something to make a police siren noise. That'd be funny.
It'd be funny if they spelled out "fuck the cops."
We can finish. I can get you beer when the fireworks are done. I'm watching.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh,
It's a heart. You
fucking
missed a heart.
That looked like,
nutsack.
Oh!
it looked like a dick and balls.
Make a W. Nah, fucking make a W.
That one was loud. 5-minute break.
Oh, here we go.
That pink one was kind of cool.
See, if this was Disney, this would be legit right
Oh, they died.
now. Like, hey, we gotta set off another one.
They're like, oh,
We have
shit.
some survivors.
Yeah, we better distract the people who are looking from their house.
Oh yeah, throw some more up there, guys.
Oh, that was a smiley face, I think.
I think we just missed. Yeah. Fuckers just fucked it up.
They put it from a different angle.
Yeah. Y'all want to shoot off illegals? You won't see the cool ones.
Damn, hella planes going through.
That one's circling.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, there's a plane up there too.
There's a sheriff.
That's the sheriff. Yeah, he's circling.
Yeah, the sheriffs are gone. They're like, who's the assholes trying to ruin our fireworks?
Yeah.
I think that's on the football field. I think that's them.
Oh, this is going a lot longer than expected.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually pretty worth it.
Oh.
I thought it was gonna last 5 minutes, so I mean.
Oh, this is it. Yeah,
Pop it
this
off.
is it.
Fuck was that? Like a half and half?
It's free, you fucks. Why are you guys yelling?
No, you see that? It was half and half.
Damn, that's sick.
Is it okay for me to say my mind is
This
blown?
No pun intended. What was that one?
Throw up and fuck the cops. Fuck the cops.
I know.
Wesh. Let's keep that down.
What was that? What? We're watching fireworks and now they're talking about hand jobs.
That's what you get.
Oh, there was your boob.
Fucking sound like war.
Come on, one more smiley face.
Big old middle finger shoots up. Big old middle.
And then cops just come out of nowhere.
I don't see a bunch of
Why
cops.
should it not even be the show? It's just some fucking redneck with a hella shit in front of his house.
This whole time, the little fireworks off to our right was the show.
What if the cops didn't even know about this? Come on, smiley face.
You're still waiting for a smiley face?
Yep.
Yeah, I give up.
My phone has more battery.
Oh, I was using my iPod, and then it said it ran out of memory. I was like, okay.
Oh, that was a big one.
This is worth it.
Yeah. This is a pretty good fireworks show.
And we still got our own little show back at the house.
We still got to show out the hood. Look at this. Out in the little fucking.
We got our own.
In the
little
pile.
thing to go
In the
down.
holler.
I'll meet you guys
Oh.
on the flip side of 4th Street.
Damn.
Catch you guys off of Sacramento Street.
Sacramento. Boy.
What?
Oh. Come on, smiley.
You guys want to go and see where the real fireworks are at?
I think that one was messed up. Get your Roman candles out of here.
Again. Fuck.
Those ones aren't even good.
I don't know where to look.
Competition.
For real.
You got any more TNT blasts? We'll do a finale. We'll do a finale.
Oh.
That's dope.
Oh.
That's sick.
Oh.
Oh, finale.
Woo!
Popping up.
Oh, that was sick.
Yeah!
Oh. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Wolfpack. No, Wolfpack.
Yeah, Roman candles!
Maybe that was pretty good though. They did a little fake out those off. Like it was gonna happen.
That lasted pretty long. I was pretty proud of that.
All right. TNT, what's up?
Happy fucking 4th of July.